Hey, YouTubers. Well, I will be replacing my passenger windshield wiper. It broke. Um, as you can see, it broke right here. Kind of weird how it broke, but I will be replacing the whole arm since it's unrepairable. So I will be popping up these two caps right here and taking it off and replacing it with the new wiper arm. This is the driver's side arm. Still intact, still good. Aftermarket wiper blade, but it worked really well, so we'll see. This is a aftermarket, it is not an OEM from Audi. I ordered off eBay. I will leave the info once I'm done. Look just like the original. Same tab. Alright. I will be leaving a remark to the seller. So, okay. And this goes to the passenger side. So, see you in a bit.